give you my heart.
Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you the full tutorial of Zoom application. So today in this video I'm gonna show you or teach you how to use Zoom application, Zoom Cloud meeting application step by step. So guys, you can see here on my screen the Zoom application. You can get this application from Google Play Store or App Store. That is for iOS, and Google Play Store is for Android users. So guys, I am showing you for both the users iOS or Android. So I'm showing you this on my Android, but you can use the same tricks on your same tips on your iOS. So let me just type here Zoom. So now after typing here Zoom, you can see here this is the Zoom Cloud meeting app that you can do a conference call, you can do a conference video call for meeting purpose, for institution purpose, for everything, for a business purpose, for your school teaching or anything. So guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how to use this application. So I have already downloaded, and then let me just click on this Zoom here. So now after clicking the Zoom, you will see this type of interface on your device. So guys, what you have to do here is very simple. If you wanna join the meeting, then what you have to do, just click on, you don't need to do anything, you don't need to sign in or sign up or anything. If you got any link or password or email ID, then you just need to join the meeting. So how to join the meeting? The first step is, you can see here, just click on join a meeting here. So now guys, you can see here this will be the interface here. So now you guys, you can see here this will be the interface to join the meeting. So you can see a meeting ID. You will get the meeting ID from the teacher, from the company head, or somewhere you will get if the meeting has been hosted. So let me just enter you have to just enter your meeting ID, and then what you have to do here, just click on the join meeting option. So guys, if you click on the join meeting, you will directly or redirectly join, you will be joined to the meeting. So now you can see here, before joining the meeting, you can just you can see here the option don't connect to audio and turn off your video. So guys, you can just turn off your video, you can't show your face here, and also you can turn off your audio, and then you have to click on join meeting, and then it's very simple. You can just join by meeting by typing the meeting ID. So after doing this, you can see here the second point is join with a personal link name. So just click, let me just click here, and then you can see here personal link name. So guys, you will get a personal link from your teachers, from your company head, or from anywhere you will get the link. So you have to just press copy and paste the link name here, and then you have to click on join with meeting ID. You have to just click on, you can see here, I will show you, you can see here. So now you have to just click on join meeting option, and then you can allow your audio or video also here. So this is the first point, you can how to join the meeting, okay? And then the second step to create your own meeting. What you have to do to create your own meeting? So let me go to my Zoom account. Here I will show you how to create or host your own meeting here. Okay, you have to watch carefully, very carefully. You can see here, you'll find this interface here. So before this, I will show you how to create an account. So let me just go to this new Zoom. So to create your account, you have to just click on sign up option here, and then after clicking the sign up option, you have to just select your date here. Let me just click on some date. Okay, so you have to select your birth date, and then just click on OK. So now after clicking to OK, let me just click on sign up once again. Okay, so now after giving your date of birth, you need to fill up your email ID here. So let me just fill up my email ID here. So guys, I have filled up my email ID, and just let me give my name here, and then my last name here. So guys, after this, you have to click on this option. You can see I agree, and then you have to click on this option, next option. Okay, So you can see here we sent a email to verify your account. So guys, let me just go to my email and check it out, the verification code there. So guys, here you will find this type of email from Zoom. So after going to your email, you will find this type of thing, so this type of interface on your email. So now what you have to do, just click on activate account. Okay, so after clicking to activate account, you can see here something will be on your face here. Now what you have to do, are you signing up on behalf, continue, just click on yes and continue. Okay, and then you can see here it's I think it's done. So now what you have to do, just click on host here once. Okay, so now you can see here your meeting should start in a few seconds. So now guys, just cancel this. Okay, just go back, and then let us go back here. Okay, just click on sign in option, and then you can see here they're asking for email and password. So you have to enter your email, and then you can just enter your password, and then you can log in with your account. So this is the second step. Okay, so now guys, I'm gonna show you how to host a meeting or create a meeting on your Zoom application by your phone only. Okay, so guys, let me go to my Zoom application. So now this will be the interface after creating your account. Now how to create a meeting. Okay, so just click on this new meeting option, and then you can see here start a meeting option. So it's very simple. So guys, just click on start a meeting option. Okay, so guys, you can see here your meeting will be on a connecting process. So I will show you what you have to do. It will take a moment. Let me just stop. So guys, it's done, you can see here. So let me just off my microphone and also my video. So if you want to share your meeting ID, then what you have to do is just click on this option. You can see here participant option. So just click here, and then you will find an option, invite option. You can see here, so just click on invite option. Now what you have to do, just copy the URL. Okay, so after copying the URL, what you have to do, you have to go to your WhatsApp, WeChat, or Instagram, or message, or anywhere, and then just what you have to do, just paste the uh, so guys, just paste your these things here. You can see here. So the other person, the students, your students, or anyone, if she or he tap the link, then he will or she will directly connected to your Zoom meeting. So guys, this is something special. And then I will show you or something special again. You can see here the share button. So just click on this share button option, and then you can share a whiteboard option here. You can see, just click on whiteboard, and then you can just select the color here. Let me just select, and you can show your meetings. You can teach anything what you want to teach. So guys, this is the full tutorial for Zoom application. So I forgot to show you how to end your meeting also. So guys, to end your meeting, you can see here the end meeting option. So just click on end meeting option, and then end meeting for all. So guys, this is how you can use Zoom application step by step. Thanks for watching, and please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the more informative videos every day. See you soon. Bye bye.